name is Anne. I am the Destination Manager at Oyster Worldwide. The projects on this Big Five Game Reserve are fantastic as they allow people to experience a safari but also get so much deeper, to enjoy seeing incredible wildlife up close, learn about the threats that these animals face, and also about the complexities of managing a game reserve and keeping all of the flora and fauna intact for generations to come. One of the greatest highlights of the work that we do is to give people the opportunity to do something that could well have been beyond their wildest dreams before, to give them the confidence to try something new, the independence to travel to the other side of the world and immerse themselves into something completely different. The demands of life in a Big Five game reserve can change daily. However, there are many tasks which are very important to complete throughout the year at the game reserve. One of the greatest challenges that the reserve faces is the insurgence of alien vegetation, and volunteers enjoy participating in removing this and replenishing the native species. This is incredibly important for the biodiversity on the reserve, but also providing the animals that call it home with the nutrients and plants and feed that they need to maintain a healthy diet. Other tasks can include lion tracking and monitoring, general monitoring of other animals, helping with tree planting and landscaping, doing fence patrols, game counts, and even game captures. Your tasks will be varied and may well change at the last minute based on the dynamic nature of the game reserve. However, there will always be fantastic ways to see the reserve, to see the animals, and to really learn something more about this fantastic corner of Africa. Not only is this reserve located in a fantastic location for seeing some amazing wildlife, it is also in a great location for exploring some of the best of South Africa during the weekends. It is located just 90 minutes from the friendly city of Port Elizabeth, from where participants can explore the garden route in their free time, or simply go to the beach, enjoy eating out, and many of the other exciting things that Port Elizabeth has to offer. The best advice that I could offer to anyone going on this project would be to embrace every opportunity that you are given. Get up on time, to enjoy every session, to throw yourself into things, always have a smile, and just be willing to give everything a try.